Namaste. I, JBN Nitika Chatwal, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Faculty of Pharmaceutical, is here to deliver the lecture on Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance. This subject is under VPharm 6th semester. The scope of this subject is deal with the various aspects of quality control and quality assurance aspects of pharmaceutical industry. It deals with the important aspects like CGMP, quality control test, documentation, quality control test, documentation, quality certification, and regulatory affairs. Objective of this subject is upon completion on this course, the students shall understand the CGMP aspects in a pharmaceutical industry, appreciate the importance of documentation, and understand the scope of quality certification applicable to pharmaceutical industries. Understand the responsibilities of quality assurance and quality control department. Now, the first unit has the chapter Quality Assurance and Quality Management Concepts. So, our today's topic is Quality Assurance and Quality Management Concepts. Now, before moving towards the concept of quality control and quality assurance, firstly, try to understand what is concept of quality. Okay, now we are studying about what is the aspect of quality or what is the concept that is will be, that is concept of quality. The regulatory bodies all around the world have accepted that a pharmaceutical product which meets the following five characteristics can be accepted as a quality product. And those characteristics are identity, strength, safety, purity, and last one is efficacy. Now, what is the definition of quality? This is an important question for examination point of view. So you should make a star note on it and write down what is the definition of quality. Quality is defined in some dictionaries as degree of excellence, while the International Organization for Standardization, that is also called ISO, defines it as the quality, the totality of features and characteristics of product or service that be on its ability bear on its ability to satisfy stated or impelled needs. Now, what is the definition of quality control? Definition of quality control is given by WHO, and it is also an important question as in point of view of examination. So please write down what is the definition of quality control by WHO. Quality control is a part of GMP. GMP is what? Good manufacturing practices, which is concerned with simpling specification, testing with the organization, documentation, and release procedures while measures this the necessary and relevant tests are actually carried out and that materials are neither released for use nor product released for sale or supply until their quality has been found satisfactory. Okay, now we are going towards quality control. Now, what is quality control? Quality control is a set of activities, and now this is the concept of quality control, in which this quality control is a set of activities for ensuring quality in products. The activities focus on identifying defects in actual product produced. Quality control is a corrective tool quality control aims to identify defects in finished products, and the aim of quality control is to identify defects after a product is developed and before it is released. Quality control system should ensure that there should be adequate facilities, trained personnel, and approved procedures and available for sampling, inspecting, and testing raw materials. For these functions, such as sampling, inspecting, and testing raw materials, there should be the adequate facilities and trained personnel and approved procedures are available. In intermediate product and finished product, and where appropriate for monitoring environmental for GMP purposes. Test methods should be validated in quality control. Okay. Now we are going to study about what are the responsibilities of QC department. In pharmaceutical and industry, there are major three departments. The first one is production, which is also known as manufacturing department, where the medicine is produced. And the second one is quality control, where the quality is controlled by laboratory techniques. So, in this section, we know what is the quality measures of the drug. And the third one is quality assurance, where quality is assured by quality assurance person. So what are the responsibilities of quality control department? QC is responsible for the day-to-day control of quality within the company. Okay. Every pharmaceutical company has this department of quality control, and various companies take multiple persons in this section because they require quality control personnel with this same technique. Quality control department is responsible for analytical testing of incoming raw material and inspection of packaging components, including labeling. Quality control play a major role in the selection of qualified vendors from whom raw material are purchased. The environmental areas or the environmental areas for manufacturing of various dosage form are tested and inspected by quality control department. This is all about quality control department role. Now, what is the definition of quality assurance term? This is also another department of quality of a pharmaceutical company. Now, what is the definition of quality assurance? Quality assurance is a wide-ranging concept covering all matters that individually or collectively influence the quality of products. The totality of the arrangement made with the objective of ensuring that pharmaceutical products are of the quantity measured or required for their intended use, and quality assurance also includes GMP and other factors such as product design and development. Now, what is quality assurance concept? In quality assurance, it is a set of activities for ensuring quality in the process by which the products are developed. Quality assurance is a managerial tool. Quality assurance aims to prevent defects with a focus on process used to make the product. And now, what will be the quality assurance system used areas? Medical products are designed and developed in a way that takes account of the requirement of GMP. Now, what is the full form of GMP? The full form of GMP is good manufacturing practices. Production and control operations are clearly specified and good manufacturing practices adopted in this system. Managerial responsibilities are clearly specified. The finished product is correctly processed and checked according to the defined procedures. Now, what are the responsibilities of a quality assurance department? Quality assurance department is responsible for ensuring that the quality policies adopted by a company are followed to meet quality requirements. To identify and prepare the necessary SOP related to the concept of quality. Quality assurance holds responsibility for monitoring or controlling audits. In many pharmaceutical companies, audit comes for a few times, and the quality assurance department is very much necessary in this audit section, because quality assurance department is the main responsible person for assuring the quality of any drug product, because it can be also said to as an inspector of a company, which leads to any audit reports, and which keep an eye on every production department or production person, that what he is going to prepare or produce, and after that he tests its quality and control its quality, and if the quality is okay, then he assure the product. After that, the product is gone into the market for its purchasing. So quality assurance department is the main important department, and this is the very important subject, and also the main criteria in going any pharmaceutical industry. If you go in any pharmaceutical industry, you can opt quality assurance department, because it is a better opportunity, and it has a very commandable job. So you can go over there in quality assurance department. So thank you. That's it for this chapter. Now, if you have any queries, please let me know, and make sure to make a small presentation about this chapter and topic. So if you have any queries, please comment or let me know. So thank you. Thank you so much.